Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your computer to Wi-Fi without using a cable, in just 4 simple steps. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so you never miss our latest tech videos. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Check if your computer has a wireless network adapter. To do this, click on the Start menu and type Device Manager in the search box. Open Device Manager, then expand the Network Adapters section. Look for a device with the words wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN in its name. If you see one, great. That means your computer already has a wireless adapter. If not, you'll need to purchase and install one before continuing. Step 2. Connect to a wireless network. Once your wireless adapter is ready, click on the Start menu again and open Settings. Then go to Network and Internet, and select Status. On the right side, click on Network and Sharing Center. You'll now see all available Wi-Fi networks in your area. Step 3. Set up a new connection or network. If you want to create a new Wi-Fi connection, click on Set up a new connection or network. This allows you to manually add and configure your wireless network. Step 4. Complete the setup. Select Set up a new network and click Next. Your wireless router will broadcast a signal that your computer can connect to. Choose your device, follow the prompts to finish the setup, and you're done. That's it. You've successfully connected your computer to Wi-Fi without a cable. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.